What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get more money in My Perfect Hotel. So, there are a few recommendations here that you may want to try. So first is you want to focus on receptioning and cleaning. So you want to invest in your reception desk and cleaners. So these two areas directly impact both guest satisfaction and how much income you actually generate. Upgrading them early gives you a strong foundation on the game itself. Also, upgrade your employee speed. So improve the speed of your staff here. Faster employees move around quicker, serves customers faster, and ultimately help you earn more money every second. So prioritize this early on. Now, as soon as you can, you may want to also add more rooms. So more rooms mean more guests, and more guests brings in more cash. This is one of the fastest ways to increase your earnings. Now, also, when the options are available for you, start unlocking automation features. So bots and automated systems keep the hotel running and earning money even when you're not actively playing. Also, strategically watch ads here to get bonus income boosts, especially helpful when unlocking new floors or making big upgrades here. So don't spam this, but use it smartly when you really need the extra cash. Also, participate in special events or missions to earn gems, which can be exchanged through for cash boosters. These rewards can make a big difference in speeding up your hotel's progress. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.